Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of Saturday, October the 7th, 2023. In this puzzle page, we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are we have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars. This is the second one. Then we have a killer Sudoku. We have 2 binary puzzles, 10 by 10, and the last puzzle is a tectonic. Yeah. Also in this newspaper, an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles I will do tomorrow evening or tomorrow afternoon. But these 6 puzzles, I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. First one I will solve is this one. Sudoku with 3 stars, number 7228. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and the 7 in this column, so no 1 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for the must. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Alright, now. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoo-ba-dam. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. Well, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for 9 should be there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row, middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4. And the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. Then let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Now. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about these two missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill those yet. Let me mark those. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. What are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4, 4. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so row below the only place level 8 should be there. We have a pair, the 4 and 8 in this column, the 4 and 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only two place level, the 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are the other two numbers in this column? Second column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8. And the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be in, the 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Then two missing numbers in this row, middle row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. One box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then, how about 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Here also 2 and the 7 are missing. We have a pair. Here we have also a pair. 2 and a 7. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. The 2 and a 7 are we have in the second row. So this box should be a 5. That box should be a 2. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 now. In this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 or 7. We have a 2 now in this row. So this box should be a 7. 2 or 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. The 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4. And the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. I cannot believe this. 10 minutes. 0 stars. Yeah, publisher. Wrong indication, but we sold again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.